Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to send a message in WhatsApp without saving the number in your phone here. So first of all, you need to update your WhatsApp Messenger here because this option is only work in the update version of the WhatsApp here. So to update the WhatsApp, you just need to go to Play Store and update it. Then go to WhatsApp here, and here you will find in the right corner there's an option here which is the message option. So just tap on it. After that, you will find the option called message yourself. So you just have to tap on the message yourself option here, and then you just have to put the number that you want to send the message here. So I'm just gonna paste the number here and send it to myself. And as you can see, this is the number that I want to send messages, and this number is not saved in my phone here. So if I tap on it, and as you can see, this number is on the WhatsApp here, so I can chat with this number. Also I can call on WhatsApp here. So if I just tap on chat with this number here, and this goes back to the chat version here. As you can see, this number is not saved on my phone here. So this is how you can chat with or call with a number in the WhatsApp without saving the number in your WhatsApp here. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.